second graders, Mrs. Isham's here. We are going to do our lesson for grammar and phonics for lesson 23. For our grammar, this week we are learning irregular verbs, and for phonics we will get into that in just a minute after we do our grammar. So we're going to look at irregular verbs. First, before we go on, we need to know what a verb is. A verb is a what? Can you tell me what a verb is? An action! A verb is an action. Now, for irregular verbs, we need to know the subject. We have and has. Have and has are when our subject is doing the action in the present. So, here, for my example, Juan has a brown rug. Juan is my subject. Juan has a brown rug. Now, Juan, is that one subject or more than one subject? Let's think about that. Ooh. Juan is one subject. So if you have one subject, if you're doing the action, you need to use has. Now here, mom and dad, is that one subject or more than one subject? It's more than one subject. It's more than one. If it's more than one subject doing the action, you need to use have. Mom and dad have a blue rug. Now, for the past, so present means it's happening right now. Past means it already has happened. So had is in the past. This is when your subjects have done the action in the past. So here, Grandma had a white rug. Now, Grandma is how many subjects? One or more than one? It's one. Grandma had a white rug. Mom and Dad had, did the wrong color. Mom and Dad had a yellow rug. Now, is Mom and Dad one or more than one? It's more than one subject. Now see here, we still use, whether it's one subject or more than one subject, we still use has for both in the past. So, have and has is for the present. We use has when the subject is one. We use have when the subject is more than one. Had is in the past, and it doesn't matter if there's one subject doing the action, more than one subject doing the action. We still use had. Now, we have some other words. Do and does. Do and does. Ooh, I smudged that up. The teacher does activities on the rug. Teacher, is teacher one subject or more than one subject? It's one. The teacher does activities on the rug. Today we do exercises. Now, tell me, is we one or more than one? It's more than one. Now let's try that. If one subject, you use does. If it's more than one subject, you use do. Now let me switch it. The teacher do activities on the rug. No, we're not hillbillies. Does. The teacher does activities on the rug. Or today we does exercises. No. If it's more than one, we need to use do. Today we do exercises. Mrs. Isham really likes to read the sentences out loud to see if it makes sense. Now, so do and does is in the present. Oh, not past. Mrs. Isham. present. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She's going crazy. Did is in the past. So present means it's happening right now. Past it has already happened. You can have code words like yesterday. Yesterday, we did exercises. So here, we is more than one. Now, what if I said yesterday, I did exercises? Would that still work too? Yeah, it definitely would. So did can be one subject or more than one subject. Remember, if a pronoun is he, she, or it, we need to use does or did. He does the laundry. He did the laundry. She does the laundry. She did the laundry. It does the laundry. It did the laundry. And if it's the pronoun is they or we, then you need to use do or did. They do the laundry. They did the laundry. We do the laundry. We did the laundry. Would it make sense if they does the laundry? No. We does the laundry? No, it doesn't make sense. She do the laundry? She do the laundry? No. You need to really put those words back in the sentence to make sure it makes sense. Okay. We're going to move on to our phonics for this week. We are doing suffixes y, ly, and full. So let's say this word here. Ready? Gently. Can we clap it out? Ready? Gently. Where did I put my syllables? Where if I was to do a slash, it would be in between gent and ly. Next, let's say helpful. Helpful. Let's clap it out. Helpful. Where would I do my slash? In between help and full. Next is hairy. Let's say it. Hairy. Let's clap it out. Hairy. Whoop, lost my lid. Where would we put our slash? In between hair and e. Next is the word slowly. Let's clap it out. Ready? Oh, first you say it slowly. Clap it out. Slowly. Where would we put our slash? In between slow and ly. Next is hopeful. Everyone say it. Hopeful. Let's clap it out. Hopeful. Where would we put our slash? In between hope and full. Next is pointy. Let's find our syllables. Everyone say it. Pointy. Clap it out. Pointy. Where would we put it? In between point and e. Next is quietly. Clap it out. Oh, first say it. Quietly. Now clap it out. Quietly. Where would we put our slash? In between quiet and ly. Ooh, I kind of got messed up. That's supposed to say beautiful. Everyone say beautiful. Beautiful. Let's clap it out. Ready? Beautiful. Where did we do that? Beautiful. Awesome. Now, remember, suffixes are when we put letters at the end of a root. Not a root word, a regular word. So ly, full is at the end. Y, so e. Ly says ly, full, e, ly, and full. So these are all suffixes at the end of the word. You remember, we've already talked about this. Ly means in a way. So gently, if I said she gently petted the cat, she would say it would be she pet the cat in a gentle way. Now full means, oh darn it, rubbed off into here. Full means full of. Helpful would be full of help. And then Y means like. So Harry like Harry. Okay, so make sure you know how to say words with the suffix Y, ly, and full. Our other phonics for this week is the final stable syllables of shun and sure. Let's say this word together. Ready? Motion, creation, creature, nature, creature, nation. Let's look at this first row here. Which two words have the same ending syllable? Motion, creation, creature. Which two words have the same ending syllables? Motion and creation. They all end in the shun syllable. What about this row? We have nature, creature, nation. We have nature, creature, nation. Which two words have the same ending syllable? Nature, creature, or nation? It is nature and creature. Make sure that we are practicing how to divide out the syllables in the words with the suffixes shun and sure, y, ly, and full. Alright, I'm going to let you guys go. If you have any questions on your grammar or phonics this week, do not hesitate to reach out to any of your teachers, and we would love to help you guys. You guys be safe and have a great day, and just know that we miss you a ton. Alright, talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.